Hey everybody, this is Sharon Peterson and welcome to Quiet Ambitions. I have something to show you this morning. Look at that. Those are the green bean seeds that I was saving. So I save green bean seeds from year to year. In Colorado, all I have to do is leave them on the plant. They dry right in the garden and I can come at the end of the season and pick them and it's no problem. However, in eastern Tennessee where we now live, it's obviously very much different climate. Everything is wet. My seeds started actually sprouting right in the pod. So I came out this morning because I noticed it yesterday. I came out this morning to see if there were any seeds that I could rescue. And my whole little patch here that I was saving, I just took off a section that I was going to save seeds from, and they're all soggy and messy, and so they're not all sprouting like this, but every pod that I'm opening up, the seed looks swollen, and so it's already absorbing water. And so what I am going to do, because I can't save them for next year, I'm too late, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plant them over in another section of my garden where I needed a cover crop. It's the end of the season. I don't think I'll have enough time to get another crop of green beans, but otherwise the seeds are just going to go to waste. I need a cover crop anyway. Whatever grows, and I'll be able to compost that, or I'll chop it and drop it and leave it right in the garden bed. It's good for the soil. So we're going with plan B. So the lesson learned is when it's wet, you can't always just depend on leaving your seeds to dry right in the garden. You might have to pull your plants, hang them in a dry area, and let the pods dry there. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more lessons with me, go ahead and like and subscribe, because I'm learning all kinds of lessons this year in my garden. In fact, I think I'm going to start a whole section, lessons learned in the garden. So on to plan B. We'll talk to you in the next video. You guys have a great day.